Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Slack application on your Android safely and quickly. If you want to stay connected with your team, Slack is the must-have collaboration app for chat, video calls, and project management. To download it safely on your Android, first of all open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now click on the search icon at the bottom center and in the search bar type in Slack. Look for the Slack application from the search result, this one over here, and tap on install. Now wait for the application to download and install on your Android device, which will take a couple of minutes. And once it is done, you can tap on the open button to open up the app on your device. So that's how you easily download and install Slack on your Android device. You can now go ahead and sign into your existing account or create a new workspace. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.